everyone, and welcome to the Toucan You Can series. Today, we're going to dive into the concept of embedded analytics with Toucan. Let me introduce our expert, Elodie, who will guide us through today's topic. Elodie, could you quickly explain what we're going to see?
Hi Morgan, hi everyone. Today we're going to see how to embed content created in Toucan directly into a SaaS software. It's super interesting because it allows you to bring precise insights where they have the most value for users. And to start, we're going to embed a simple tile.
What exactly is a tile?
So a tile is a simple visual that provides a key piece of information.
Great. Show us how it works.
Okay, so here we've already created several tiles. We start by clicking on Embed Tile. We get to the menu to generate the embed script. We can choose the display format here depending on the available space in the app where we'll embed it. Okay, so then we give the tile an alias. For this demonstration, we'll call it average session, which makes the reference clearer for the developer.
Why is it important to give an alias?
Okay, so actually giving an alias is going to allow you to replace a technical ID with a name that makes more sense for devs. It makes integration easier and the code more readable.
Interesting. What's next?
Okay, so next we click here on Generate Embed to create the script, then copy embed HTML to copy the script. We have two options for embedding, either iframe or web component. For this demo, we're going to choose the web component, and after that, simply paste this script into the code of the software that embeds it. We'll use a simple code pen to demonstrate. So here the token is crucial. It signs with a secret key that ensures only authorized users can use the tile. Once the token is integrated, you'll see the tile appear directly into your software. This makes the content personalized and secure. This is what we call precise embedding, allowing you to provide the right chart at the right moment and place, and ensuring an optimal user experience.
So what's a story?
So a story is a more complete chart with much more context and features than a tile. Embedding a story means providing access to actually more depth. So to embed a story, we start by opening the story here, then click on the three dots right there next to the story title, then embed story. Here we can actually customize the embed, like adding a side panel for options like annotating, sharing, or exporting data, for example. And we can also include the filters present in the story with the header.
And in this demo, we're enabling the header to keep the filters, right?
Yeah, exactly. So since we have 3 filters on the story, it gives the end user more control on it. We give the story an alias, so here it's churn rate. Then we generate and copy the scripts, choose a technology, and integrate it directly into the code. With the filters and the rich features, it's an excellent way to do precise embedding while keeping a high level of detail.
Okay, so that's precise embedding. Do we have other embedding options?
Yes, so dashboards allowed you to embed multiple elements at once in a single page. So we start by going to the dashboard section here of the app and click on Create a new dashboard. We add the tiles or stories we've already created to build the dashboard. The advantage of this is that we don't need to code a framework to place everything the dashboard is already ready to use.
So it's much faster for developers?
Yes, absolutely. So the developer just integrates one single script and everything is set. So for this demo, we're going to create a dashboard called Customer Dashboard with one row of 4 tiles and a second row with 2 stories, and then just copy the script and integrate it.
And finally, there's the storytelling application.
Yes, so that's the ultimate level of embedding. We embed the entire app with its homepage and chapters containing stories. Here, we can only use the iframe technology, but it's simple and very effective for embedding a complete experience.
Awesome, thanks. That was really insightful. And before we wrap up, could we demonstrate how responsive the embed is?
Yes, of course. So let's use CodePen here to show how it looks once it's embedded. So you can see that the embed remains responsive right there and perfectly adapts to the available space. Whether it's a tile or a story or a dashboard or an application, each type of embed is designed to enrich the user experience.
Thank you very much, Elodie, and thank you all for watching. We'll see you at the next video to discover another feature of Toucan. Don't forget to subscribe and like if you found this video helpful. See you soon!
Thank you everyone, goodbye and see you next time.